we got Martin on the trailer here, the red 80 we used to call Red, but he's better called Martin. And we got the shingle mill hooked up. You guys will get to see how that works. And we are heading back down to Sunnybrook today, so it's another road trip video, this time with Martin on the trailer. So hopefully it should be fun. We've got Martin down here, we've got John down here, and we even got the shingle mill down here, so you guys will get to see how all that works. So that's going to do it for another road trip here to Sunnybrook Farms for this year's tractor show.